Welcome into the channel, guys. This is Chukwu Maker Kitchen. Today we are putting together a recipe for southern sweet potato pie. I'm doing this recipe just the way my mama used to do it. It always came out perfectly when she did it. I don't see any reason to add anything to it or take away. So we're going to go ahead and get into this recipe and make this pie. Now in this frame, you see me preparing my dough ball. I'm adding in some ice cold water. I'm using a fork to work the water into the dough. And then I'm simply going to go ahead and knead it just a bit and roll it into a ball and refrigerate it to sit for a minute. So I've roasted my potatoes instead of boiling them, and I always try and choose the smaller potatoes because I have found that they are the sweetest, and I learned that from an elder. And to get rid of those pesky potato strings, the food processor gets the job done. I'm using baker's sugar, unsalted butter, tried and true, nutmeg, allspice, Saigon cinnamon, and sea salt. Adding in my evaporated milk, my eggs, my vanilla extract, adding in my all-purpose flour, and our potato pie is mixed. Alrighty guys, thanks for hanging out. Yah willing, I will see you guys on the next one. Shalom.